Watch for Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce getting out well, and she has done. She's bidding for a 5th world title, and she's going to do it. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
From the legendary Merlene Ottey to the unstoppable Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Jamaican women have dominated global sprinting for decades, but is their reign coming to an end? From their historic Olympic and World Championship victories to the shocking setbacks at the 2023 Budapest World Championships and the 2024 Paris Olympics, let's explore whether the next generation of Jamaican stars like Tina Clayton and Alana Reid can reclaim the throne. In this video, let's dive into Jamaica's sprint queen's rise and recent challenges. With rising global rivals like Sha'Carri, Richardson and Julien Alfred, can Jamaica's sprint legacy survive this changing of the guard? Let's find out. Merlene Ottey, Grace Jackson, Juliet Cuthbert, Merlene Fraser and Beverly McDonald are considered the foundation women for Jamaican sprinting. Between the 1980s and the early 2000s, these women were able to be consistent in their efforts by earning medals at global championships. These athletes paved the way for athletes like Veronica Campbell, Sharon Simpson, Karen Stewart, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Elaine Thompson-Herah and Shericka Jackson, who have been dubbed by track and field fans as the Big Three. Jamaica became remarkably consistent in women's sprinting when Veronica Campbell became the first woman to cross the line and win an Olympic sprint title after winning a gold medal at the 2004 Athens Olympics. Since then, the women of the land of wood and water have become much more successful and consistent in sprinting as more women began to create history. The 2007 Osaka World Championships saw Jamaica beginning its dominance in women's sprinting. Veronica Campbell became the first Caribbean woman to win a World Championship sprint title with her 100-meter gold.
Williams away very well with that outsider. Edwards is ahead of Campbell. The other way around at the moment. Campbell now coming through there to take on Edwards maybe. It is indeed Campbell on the line.
A year later, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce won the 100-meter gold at the 2008 Beijing Olympics, thus becoming the first Caribbean woman to win an Olympic sprint title. Between 2008 and 2020, Jamaica captured all 4 Olympic 100-meter titles, which were shared equally between Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and Elaine Thompson-Herah. During this time, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce won 5 World Championship 100-meter titles. Her final World Championship title won at the 2022 Eugene World Championship crowned her the greatest 100-meter sprinter of all time. By the way, if you're finding value in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Thank you. Things were going well for the Jamaican women given that they swept the 100-meter at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics and did so again at the 2022 Eugene World Championship. Many fans thought that Jamaica would continue to dominate the 100-meter, but things shifted at the 2023 Budapest World Championship when America's Sha'Carri Richardson won by being in the difficult lane 9. This was quite a shocking performance because Jamaica's Shericka Jackson went in as the favorite and Sha'Carri Richardson had to qualify for the final based on time. A year later, the Jamaican women were on a mission to become the first country to win 5 consecutive 100-meter Olympic titles. But things didn't go well for them, as only 2 members of the Big Three, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and Shericka Jackson, could make the Paris Olympic team. To make matters worse, only 1 Jamaican woman was in the 100-meter Olympic final, and that was the youngest of them all, Tina Clayton. Clayton ran 11.04 seconds to place 7th in the final, making it the first time since the 1988 Seoul Olympics that a Jamaican woman finished empty-handed in an Olympic final. This was shocking because Jamaica has been known to be a consistent country in women's sprinting, especially in the 100 meters. It's safe to say that Jamaica is experiencing a changing of the guard. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is getting close to the end of her career. Elaine Thompson-Herah had injury issues all of 2024, and Shericka Jackson was unable to grace the track at the Paris Olympics. At the same time, some pretty talented Jamaican athletes such as Tina Clayton, Alana Reid, Kemba Nelson, Akira Nugent, Serena Cole and others are on their way to the top. But can they catch up to Julien Alfred and Sha'Carri Richardson? That's something we'll only get to know with time. From the trailblazing legends like Merlene Ottey to the iconic dominance of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Jamaican women have rewritten the history of sprinting. While recent challenges have tested their reign, The rise of young talents like Tina Clayton and Alana Reid reminds us that Jamaica's sprint legacy is far from over. The road ahead may be tough, but with determination and passion, the next generation has the potential to reclaim the podium and inspire the world once more. Now it's your turn. What do you think about the future of Jamaican women's sprinting? Can the next generation of stars like Tina Clayton and Alana Reid rise to the challenge and reclaim Jamaica's dominance? Or do you think rivals like Sha'Carri, Richardson and Julien Alfred will continue shifting the power balance? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your predictions and opinions. Check out this video on top 10 Caribbean athletes you must watch in the 2025 track and field season. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the legacy and future of Jamaican sprinting, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with fellow track and field fans, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.